Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey, I noticed I had a lot of wind the other day and the roof blew off my purple martin house. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick fix if you didn't want to buy a new one. I like the purple martins here in my neck of the woods. They'll be coming here scouting about April 1st, so I want to get this birdhouse up around that time frame. But anyway, what happens is the sun, oxidation, tends to rot in these push pin clips. So I ordered some. And I got some off of Amazon. I'll leave a link. These are just Jeep bumper clips. So what you do is you can get on the back side of these clips and just pull them out with a pair of, I used a bent pair of needle nose pliers. As you can see, there's the roof. So what you do, I also had the sides in these trays. You can reach in from the back side. Some of them's a little cantankerous, but what you do, I have to get them out. So you got those just expansion ribs. You want to double check your size of your particular model birdhouse. If they're 1/4 inch or what, make sure the panels fit. These were just white. So that's all it is to it. Just push them in. Alright, laid this thing down so you can see a little better. But for the roof, it's the same way. Those push pins just pushed in through these. And you got to put the roof on first. And it has little tabs in it. And these little alignment tabs, these right here, so those line up with these dividers on your little cardboard trusses here for your birdhouse. And then one other thing you gotta do with the roof is you got these little side lips, these little hooks here. You have to make sure that you put those in these little slots first. So I'll get that positioned on there. I had to stand that back up, but as you can see, I got these tabs looped in. Alright, so once we got those tabs in place, we want to go ahead and just do one. We want to lock one of these in place on our roof. And what that'll do is that'll keep that tab from coming out while we work around on aligning the rafters. Alright, so I got the tabs in, just two, one on each side. And we did ensure the little roof hooks are in. So I can flip this thing around. And what I'm checking for is to make sure, this tab hooked itself. I gotta unhook this one. Make sure the rafters line up in the slots. You can see the top of these little trusses will go in line with these. So if you can see that, I got them lined up in the little tabs. And as I bring it down, we'll line these up the same way. Okay, got those tabs lined up, set in place. Got these, made sure these are hooked in, and now we can just go ahead and continue lining up these and popping these in the rest of the roof in their respective holes. Just do both sides. We got it locked in place, and then where we only put two in the back side, we got to finish those up as well. All right, so there she is. I think there's 10 of those push pins on each side. And then, I don't know, we got some on the roof. We got like 3, 6, there's a dozen total for the roof. So you gotta order your packet, discount yours. I got a 30 pack. Like I said, it's like $5 on Amazon. You can pick them up at the parts store too. The push pins, the only thing you gotta do is verify the size of the hole that you need for your particular birdhouse. If it even has these type connectors, but they're hard to find, just the parts. So that's all I wanted to show you. Hopefully it'll help. This will be ready to throw up and around April 1st and wait on the purple martins to come.